Hello, welcome back. So today I'm going to build Ariel's magical mini palace. So it's very small and it looks very nice. So okay, let's open this set and see what's inside. So we have about 3 bags of Lego and we have 2 guidebooks. So wait, first one over here and other one. So we have 2 guidebooks and 3 bags of Lego. So this is Ariel. It's very small and she looks very cute. And her hairstyle looks exactly like Ariel, and I think Lego made it very well. So this is Ariel, and we have some other dolls as well. So this is the only the human doll, and we have some other things. So I think he's like sort of like a crab or lobster or something. So his name is Sebastian, and the fish's name is Flounder, yeah, and there's also a dolphin, and sadly the dolphin doesn't have a name. And this one is kind of like a little water carriage that the dolphin is gonna like pull, and Ariel is gonna like sit inside. So it's very small actually, like it's a really mini version. So okay, the dolphin can pull the carriage like this. So now we're gonna make the castle. You know, like almost every year I think Lego makes like these sort of small castle or house sort of things, like small ones. Lego always makes those sort of things. But this year, I think they designed it very well, don't you think? Because I think like last year, there was also some like Frozen sets. There was also Moana. I don't know if it was the year before, but like, you know, the ones before. But I think this year they designed it very well. It's like very nice and colorful. These like castle sets are I think like they're just for the Disney sets, and you know I don't really build a lot of Disney sets, so it's my first time building this small like castle-y sets. So I'm actually very excited, but you know what, I think it's a bit smaller than I expected, but still it's very nice and cozy actually, and it's very nice to build something new. So there's also a hairbrush over there which looks very nice, and Sebastian is holding like the stick, you know, the sort of stick that conductors, you know, use in like orchestras and stuff like that. So okay, we've made the right part or the left part. Anyway, now we're gonna make another part, and I think this one is, you know, like sort of like the second floor, yeah. And oh, this looks kind of nice. I think this is sort of like the castle, no, the palace, how the palace is gonna look like. Looks very nice, kind of looks like a sponge palace, you know, like sea sponges. Looks nice. I don't know if I watched like the mermaid, you know, like Ariel. I think I didn't watch the Disney movie, so that's probably why I don't know, you know, like Sebastian and Flounder. I mean, I know how they look like, but I didn't know their names. So anyway, this is an orchestra, so there's also a piano, and that's all actually. And there's also like musical notes. So yeah, okay, there's a little seashell over here, and there's also a big purple seashell. Looks nice. So we place it on the top and put them together. Looks very nice actually. The turquoise one, that's gonna be like a key, so we can actually like lock this castle if we want to. And oh, this piece is very interesting. Kind of looks like a waterfall. So I saw in the box, so like it's kind of like the water, but there are some rocks, and Ariel can sort of like open the door. So I think it's gonna be this place. Oh, I love these transparent pieces. I just love transparent pieces, you know. So there's a little basket over here, and we're going to put like a fork and some like jams inside, but I don't know why there's a fork over there. Like there's no food, but there's suddenly a fork. Maybe there's a story that I don't know, because I think I haven't watched it, like I told you. So anyway, the white thing, it might look kind of weird, but that's the thing that's gonna lock the castle. So yeah, it's very nice. So this one is also the first floor, and of course we also have to make the second floor. So the second floor is just a place to park the little boat. So there's a little boat over here so that Ariel can go on like adventures. So pink flag, there's gonna be a pink flag over here. So very nice and simple boat is finished, and oh wow, look at these decorations, look so nice. So now we're gonna make the rocky rocks. Looks so cool, doesn't it? Now we plug it over here. Ta-da! Looks so nice. And then we connect them together, and this is the end of the build. You know, it ends really fast. It's very nice and simple. It looks so nice, doesn't it? They designed it so well this year. It's really magical. It's a magical palace. So, okay, we finished building it. And I also love the dolls. Flounder looks very cute. Kind of looks like a baby. Little baby looks very cute. Look, there's not so many things to do inside, but still it's very nice, you know. These sort of like mini castle things, it's like all of them, they don't have a lot of things to do inside. So okay, now let's play with it. So thanks to the little dolphin carriage, Ariel arrived safe and sound inside the castle. I'm here! Is anyone home? Wait, I'll just have to comb my hair first. It's very nice and soft now. My hair is so wonderful. It's magical. It's a magical hair. Is anyone home? Hello? I guess they're all in the second floor. So, as you can see, people, this is my favorite basket. I have my favorite fork and some treasures inside. Ho ho! Oh, hi, Flounder! Why didn't anyone answer me when I called? Sorry. Can the fish talk? I'm not so sure if he can, but let's just say that he can. Hi, Sebastian. Shh. Oh, sorry. I think he's busy. Yeah, very busy. But we promised to go on an adventure together, remember, Sebastian? Just wait outside a little bit. I'll come down soon. Okie dokie. Let's go, Flounder. I can't wait. I love adventures. Yeah, me too. You need to come down pretty soon, okay, Sebastian? Okay, just be quiet, please. Okay. Oh, this door is very nice. Yeah, it's my secret passage. Where's the boat? It's upstairs. Oh, yeah, right. All aboard. Come on, Sebastian. What's taking you so long? Okay, I'm coming. Oh, this is exciting. Yeah, let's go. So Ariel and her friends went on an adventure. So this is the end of the playing. So it's actually very nice playing with this set. It's rather small, but it has to be small because it's a mini palace, but it's very nice playing with this set, and I think the dolls are very cute. I especially like Sebastian. So anyway, this is the end of the video. Bye bye!